So William Shatner, Captain Kirk, really set off into space today upon Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin and became the oldest person to ever go into space. So let's look at what happened here, and I will add that he looks phenomenal for 90 years old. Captain Kirk, William Shatner, became the oldest person to go into space today after he returned back down to Earth, as they say, after going on a brief flight on Blue Origin, right to the edge of space. He went along with 3 other passengers. 2 of them were paying passengers, and 1 of them was a Blue Origin employee. There is no pilot aboard the rocket ship. They launched off shortly before 10 a.m. Central Time out of Texas. Now, Blue Origin is owned by Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, and Jeff was there on site to shake hands and bid the passengers adieu as they blasted off on their 10-minute trip. Bezos himself was on the first flight of Blue Origins in July, along with 3 other passengers. 351,000 feet or 66 miles up was the apogee altitude that William Shatner reached before falling back to Earth and landing in the Texas desert under a canopy of parachutes. Doesn't that sound beautiful? The brief flight left Captain Kirk feeling emotional, and he said, and I quote, "The covering of blue, this sheet, this blanket, this comforter that we have around, we think, oh, that's blue sky. Then suddenly you shoot through it all, of this sudden, as though you're whipping a sheet off of you when you're asleep, and you're looking into blackness, into black ugliness." All 4 passengers aboard were able to take a load off and experience true weightlessness for just a brief time. And a tweet that William Shatner posted after landing says, "I do not know what I may appear to the world, but to myself I seem to have been only like a boy playing on the seashore, diverting myself in now and then, finding a smoother pebble or a prettier shell than ordinary, whilst the great ocean of truth lay all undiscovered before me." You better have very deep pockets if you want to take a ride into space on Blue Origin. The company is very tight-lipped on what a ticket actually costs, and it directs you to an email if you're interested. But there was a ticket that was auctioned for $28 million in June. As for me, you couldn't pay me to go on that. But if that's what you want and that's what you aspire to, I wish you the best of luck in getting a ticket aboard that space rocket for your 10-minute journey. It's going to burn up your money faster than I don't know. But good luck to you if you want to go on that, okay? Thanks for watching, and I encourage you to click on the subscribe button on the lower corner of the video, if you would, and join our community. And if you like this, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you can hit the thumbs down. Any engagement is appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.